Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for an Instagram account on desktop. Keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to sign up for a new account on Instagram, click open any web browser first. Go to www.instagram.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Instagram. This is the login area where you'll need to enter your credentials if you already have an account. In order to sign up, click on the sign up button right next to don't have an account in order to create a new account. Now, you can sign up to Instagram using your Facebook account. To do so, you can click on this link at the top in blue, or you can enter your mobile number or email in the first text box. Type in a valid email address that you have access to and head over to the next box where it says full name. Type in your full name and then create a username for yourself. Make sure that you have a unique username. Once you find the username that is available on Instagram, you should see a tick mark at the right corner right next to it. Now, create a password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password. You can double check your password by clicking on this show button at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Finally, after everything's filled in, click on the sign up button. Enter your birthday information on the next page. Select your year from the drop down. Similarly, the day and month. Now, after everything's set, click next. You'll need to enter a confirmation code that has been sent to your email address you previously entered while signing up. Now, click open your email and you should receive a confirmation code on your email. Simply copy the code and go back to the Instagram sign up page. Type in the code in the text box or simply paste it in and click next. Now, you can go ahead and add a phone number in the text box. Click on send confirmation soon after you're done. You'll now receive a confirmation code to your phone. Type in the code in the text box. Now, click on submit. Go through what it has to say and click on back to Instagram. If you'd like to turn on notifications right away when people follow you or simply like one of your pictures or videos and comment on your photos, click on turn on. If not, click on not now. Go through the suggestions that Instagram has made for you and start following your first Instagrammer. After you're done following, click on get started and there you have a brand new Instagram account. Once you have an account, you can share photos and videos, engage with others, explore, and so much more. Go to your profile button at the top right corner and click it on. Click on profile and you'll end up in your profile on Instagram. Now, in order to upload photo and get your profile ready, click on add profile photo, select a picture from your library and click open. You can also click on edit profile and make any changes that you want for your Instagram. Update an attractive bio to attract followers for your Instagram profile. Add your phone number and your gender or any other information that you'd like to add. That is how you can easily sign up for your Instagram on your desktop. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.